Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook black-eyed peas on the stove. First, begin by carefully sorting your dry black-eyed peas, removing any small stones or other debris you might find. This initial step is crucial for safety and quality. After sorting, rinse the peas thoroughly under cool running water for about 1 minute. This simple preparation helps ensure a clean and delicious meal, setting the foundation for perfect tenderness and flavor in your finished dish. While optional, soaking your black-eyed peas significantly reduces cooking time and promotes a more even, tender texture. You have two main options for soaking. For a quick method, bring the peas to a rolling boil for just 2 minutes, then remove them from the heat and let them sit covered for 1 full hour. Alternatively, for an overnight soak, simply cover the peas with about 3 inches of cold water and let them rest at room temperature for at least 8 hours. Both methods achieve excellent results, preparing your peas perfectly. Building a flavorful base is key to delicious black-eyed peas. Start by dicing 1 medium onion and mincing about 3 cloves of fresh garlic. These aromatics will provide a rich foundation. For an authentic Southern taste, incorporate a piece of smoked meat, like 1/4 pound of ham hock or smoked turkey, into your pot. Gently render the fat from the smoked meat first for about 5 minutes, allowing its savory essence to infuse the cooking liquid before adding the vegetables. This layering of flavors truly elevates the dish. Once your aromatics are fragrant, add the soaked and rinsed black-eyed peas to the pot, along with about 6 cups of fresh water or your preferred broth. Bring this mixture to a strong boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it reaches a rolling boil, reduce the heat significantly to maintain a gentle simmer. Cover the pot with a lid and let the peas cook steadily for approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. Check them periodically for tenderness. They should be soft, but not mushy when finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.